change the rule of the world. Similarly, Tally product is also going to be changed. The new name of new Tally product is Tally Prime. When I worked with Tally Prime beta version, I simply felt wow. It's a wonderful look, advanced features and advanced options. It make user-friendly atmosphere. And I guarantee how Tally ERP9 is a successful product in market. Similarly, Tally Prime is also going to be a successful product in market. And we are also from Unnati, we are also ready with the new product to help you, to guide you and give a solution on this product. Here we make a small video to explain you people how Tally Prime is different from the oldest version of Tally. Just go through it. If you have any queries, you can contact me at any time. Thank you. Just go through it.
I know you are also curious to see the Tally Prime. It was a wonderful experience when I am working beta release.
The Tally ERP9 screen is displaying. Here we activate and reactivate license. Now Prime icon is here. Just double click on it to open. It will be take some time. Prime has best look. Okay, now this is the first screen in Prime. In this screen we activate and reactivate our license.
Hello all, our awaiting time is coming now. The premier product of Tally, that is Tally Prime, become launching soonly, and I will guarantee that the Tally Prime becomes a best business manager to guide your business.
Let's see how the company creation screen will be changing in a Tally ERP9. In this screen we also select data from our old data from a specified path or select from drive also. I will select a create company to create our company, and in create company screen we will mention our all company firm name or address details and other contact details also here. And in this screen observe that firstly in a Tally ERP9 we select a country first and then select a state, but in a Tally Prime first select the state and then automatically country will be selected. Then in this screen company created successfully, we no need to mention or no need to press F11, F1, F11, F2, F11, F3 for accounting and inventory features and GST features. It will be automatically asking for our needed credentials, that is like the GST numbers and other inventory features, accounting features. Let's see, our company will be created successfully with our all needed credential, and this is a gateway of Tally. There is a major option, the charts of accounts is available in this screen, and observe that voucher, inventory voucher and accounting voucher will be combined and merged in as a voucher only, and display more options also available in a gateway of Tally.
Hi everyone, I also so excited when I come to know Tally Prime is going to be launching. When I work on Tally Prime beta release, it simply felt wow. It have a user-friendly environment.
The one of the best option Tally Prime is Go To option. It is a middle screen of the Tally Prime. Go To means search engine. Here you search some kinds of reports like balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow, bank account, day book, GST reports and much more reports are available here. If you want select any reports, select that one. First one I selecting a balance sheet. The balance sheet displaying our company balance sheet. If you want select another reports, only directly select the Go To option. It move directly to the all options. If you want select, if I want select the trial balance, select the trial balance. It displaying our company trial balance. It shows that Tally Prime have a user friendly environment.
Everyone, it's time to go with Tally Prime, release on 9th November. we are happy to working on this. After changing Tally Prime beta release, I felt best improvement in Tally software, which are helpful to all business persons. Also, it having many advanced features. Now I will show the new features of Tally Prime charts of account. In that charts of account, we have the two options: major, accounting masters and inventory masters. In accounting masters, we have the ledgers, voucher types like that, and the inventory masters, stock groups, stocks. Also, we have assets, liabilities, and expenses. Better, it's a very wonderful experience.
Hello all. Finally the day comes. We are expecting big success of Tally Prime like a Tally ERP9. It have a wonderful features such. One I felt much needed is multitasking. The most significant option in Tally Prime is multitasking. Consider the situation. I am printing a one invoice. Suddenly I want another invoice to print. Can I hold the current invoice and then print another invoice like a day book, registers or anything? It shows the multitasking environment.
Hello everyone, finally the day comes to work with the Tally Prime. As in Tally Prime logo, the two colors are merged into single color that indicates the technology and business solutions. If work together, it gives a value. I believe this new technology of Tally surely gives a best value to the business person in their business. So all the best for Tally team.
Namaste. Let's celebrate launching of Tally Prime. All the best, Tally.
Hello all. Let's we all welcome to Tally Prime. All the best, the Tally team and Tally Prime.
Hello everyone, please join with in us launching the program of Tally Prime. All the best for Tally team.